Most iGaming operators aren't losing their best affiliates because of commission rates. They're losing them because they're treating a top-tier partner who drives 500 high LTV depositors a month the exact same way they treat someone who signed up for the program last Tuesday. Same model, same structure, same deal. The affiliates who consistently drive results notice this, and they're often the first to explore better structured programs. From what we've seen, many affiliate programs start with a single payout model, apply it across the board, and call it a strategy. CPA for everyone, or RevShare for everyone, or some variation that sits somewhere in between. But that one-size-fits-all approach is exactly what keeps most programs stuck at a ceiling they can't figure out how to break through. In this video, I'm going to break down CPA, RevShare, and hybrid. Not because you don't know what they are, but because understanding how mature affiliate programs actually apply them differently across their affiliate roster is what separates programs that scale from programs that plateau. All right, first, let's define what CPA, RevShare, and hybrid mode is. We'll move through these quickly because the definitions aren't the point. The application is. CPA, or cost per acquisition, means you pay a flat fee for every depositing player your affiliate brings in. Your cost per acquisition is predictable up front, which is genuinely useful when you're working with new or unproven affiliates. The trade-off is that after the initial conversation, the affiliate has fewer incentives to focus on player retention and lifetime value. You're paying for volume. You are not paying for value. RevShare means the affiliate earns a percentage of the net gaming revenue those players generate over time. Now the affiliate has skin in the game beyond the click. If they drive quality players, they earn more. If they drive churn and burn traffic, they earn less. Hybrid combines both, a baseline CPA for the initial conversation, plus an ongoing RevShare percentage tied to the player's NGR over time. It reduces your risk as an operator while giving serious affiliates the long-term upside they actually want. And it's increasingly the structure that high-tier affiliates ask for before they'll fully commit to your program. Here's one mistake we see affiliate programs make repeatedly. They pick one of those three models, apply it uniformly across their entire roster, and then spend the next year wondering why their best partners keep drifting toward programs that treat them differently. The model is not the problem. The application of it is. A new affiliate who's never sent you a single depositor should not be on the same commercial structure as a partner who has been consistently driving high LTV players into your program for 2 years. When you treat them the same, one of two things happens. You overpay for unproven traffic, or, and this one is more expensive, you underpay the partners who are actually moving the needle for your program. Both outcomes cost you. And in the second case, the high-value partner eventually walks out the door. One pattern we've seen among mature affiliate programs is that they don't rely on a single payout model. They are building a tiered commercial structure where the payout model follows the affiliate's track record. New or unproven affiliates start on CPA. Lower risk for you and still a clear, concrete earning opportunity for them. As an affiliate demonstrates player quality, volume, and consistency over time, they earn access to RevShare or a hybrid structure. The payout model becomes a retention tool and a performance lever, not just a cost line on a spreadsheet. And the affiliates who matter most to your program, the ones other operators are also actively trying to recruit, notice when a program is built this way. It signals that you're willing to structure partnerships around performance rather than applying the same deal to everyone. That alone gives you an edge in affiliate recruitment that no commission rate increase can replicate. Hybrid sounds great in theory. The catch is that many platforms struggle to calculate it correctly at scale, especially once you're running CPA for some affiliates, RevShare for others, and hybrid for your top tier, all at the same time. That's exactly the wall a regulated iGaming operator we worked with kept hitting on their old platform. Player events from their casino software weren't making it into affiliate attribution properly. Withdrawals weren't being handled correctly either. So when a high-value player cashed out, the commission numbers came out wrong, and that kept creating disputes with the partners they most wanted to keep. On top of that, the platform itself just wasn't competitive enough to attract the affiliates they were actually trying to recruit. So they made the move to Trackdesk. Once they did, casino events started flowing into attribution correctly in real time. Withdrawals stopped breaking the commission math. And they were finally able to run CPA, RevShare, and hybrids side by side with different deals for different tiers of affiliates. Within 6 months, their affiliate network grew from 200 to almost 1,000 affiliates, and revenue was up 300%. Turns out the ceiling was never their program. It was the platform they were on. The question is never really CPA versus RevShare versus hybrid. The real question is whether your program is structured to reward affiliates based on the value they actually deliver, and whether your platform can support that structure at scale without falling apart. If it can, you attract better partners. Better partners drive better players. And the whole program compounds from there. If you're running an iGaming affiliate program and you're hitting the operational ceiling of what your current platform can support, Trackdesk is built for exactly this. You can book a demo using the first link in the description below. If this gave you a clearer way to think about your payout structure, hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's coming next. And if you want to go deeper on building a high-performing affiliate program that actually scales, watch the video on screen right now. I'll see you there.